You're all right, easy does it.
Just a little further, steady now.
Keep them moving steady now.
Yep, scanning complete on this group.
All identification tags confirmed for this line. Transport records are accurate. Proceed with examinations.
The hide condition on the flank seems slightly dry.
Agreed. Let's note that as a minor observation and check the hydration levels.
Horn integrity is excellent.
Confirmed. Finalizing the report now, we have a clear pass. The dermatoscope shows no issues. Make sure the records reflect a healthy coat and skin condition.
The gait analysis looks promising, but check the thermal readings on the right foreleg. Confirmed. The data aligns with the physical assessment. Good condition.
Healthy, we can clear the certificate.
Inputting the ear tag now.
Confirmed, moving to pen 4.
They seem to really like this new fodder mix.
Yes, consumption rates are up across the board. Water quality levels are stable. Flow rate looks good on dispenser 3.
The bull is secured at anchor point 3. Acknowledged. Initiating wash cycle alpha.
Guide him through the checkpoint.
Report finalized. Status is green.
Send the next one in.
The weight is logged and verified. All right, commence transfer to tank 4.
The purity levels are excellent across all batches. Good. We can authorize the transfer to the main vat immediately.
Flow rate is steady at 500 liters per hour.
Acknowledged. Temperature is holding at 80 Celsius. Everything looks good.
Process settings verified on the main panel. Cross-referenced with the tablet. We are clear for production.
Consistency looks perfect at this temperature.
Agreed. Maintain the current speed.
The viscosity levels look perfect. We can move to bottling.
Agreed, the pH is stable as well.
The viscosity is stable, logging the fragrance addition now.
Confirmed. The aroma is perfect.
The consistency is excellent.
All parameters are stable. We are good to go.
The batch consistency is perfect for the shaping line. Good. We are ready to increase the flow rate on tank 3.
Pressure gauge is steady.
Safety check complete. Approved for startup.
testing posts. The user wants me to transcribe an 8-second video scene based on the provided context. Here's a plan.
Looks good. The humidity is holding at the target level. Confirmed. We are on track for the hardening phase.
We must ensure the consistency meets the standard before it moves to packaging. The color is holding up well.
The dimensions and color consistency are within tolerance. Looks good. I'll approve this batch on the tablet.